Princess, and today we will be making Disney Cruise Pipe Cleaner Mickey ears. So what you will need is 3 dark blue pipe cleaners, 2 black pipe cleaners, 1 white pipe cleaner, 1 red pipe cleaner, and scissors. So you will start by getting 2 of the dark blue pipe cleaners and twisting them together at the ends. And then once you do that, you're going to take the other ends and then you're going to twist them together and make a circle that you are going to put on your head. So this is the base. And then you are going to make the arch with a white pipe cleaner. So you're going to twist this pipe cleaner to the place where you twisted these 2 pipe cleaners. So you twist it on and make sure it's secure. And then you're going to take this end and twist it on the other side so it's an arch. And this arch is where your Mickey ears are going to be on. And then you got that. And so you're going to make the Mickey ears with the black pipe cleaners. So you're going to take one of these and you're going to twist it on this side of the arch. So you're going to twist it on and you're going to take this side and you're going to bend it down and twist it right here. Make sure you like it and it looks like a Mickey ear. And so that's good. And then you're going to take the other black pipe cleaner and you're going to twist it on this side. So about right there, you twist it on and then do the same thing. Take this side, bend it down, twist it about right there, and make sure it looks like an ear. You don't want it to look like a bunny ear. It's the wrong type of ear. And so you're going to make like waves right there for the Disney Cruise sign. So you're going to cut it into thirds. So cut it about right there and then half of this right there. And then so you're going to take one section and you're going to make a wave with it like the water. And so you do that and you're going to twist it on to the ears. So you twist it on this side and then twist it on the other side too. And then take another section and make the same wave shape. Try to make it exactly the same. And then twist it on again. And make sure they're spaced apart. So you're going to twist this one like right there and twist this one like that right over here. And then do the same thing to this one. Have you ever been on a Disney cruise? I have. I've been on the Dream and I'm going on the Dream in a couple of days. It's really fun. And so you make the same wave and twist it on right here. So you got that. Now with the red pipe cleaner, you're going to make a little Mickey right inside there. So you are going to cut it in half. And then one half is going to be the circle. So you're going to twist these 2 ends and make sure it looks like a circle. Twist it on and there you go. That's good. And then so this is going to be right there, but you're going to cut this in half and then each of these halves are going to become a little small Mickey ear. And so you're going to twist it on this side about right there, twist it on and make this one into a Mickey ear, almost like these big Mickey ears but on this tiny little circle. And twist it on, make sure it looks like an ear. And then for this one, you're going to put it on there where you like it. And then you're going to twist this on to the blue too, so it is secure. And then you're going to bend this down and twist it on the red Mickey ear right there. And then that's good, and there you go. You got your Disney Cruise Pipe Cleaner Mickey ears.